Hello guys. All right, so I just got a bunch more packages in, and that'll should get me to the stage where I can steer this thing and drive it around. So I'll show you what I got. All right, I got a grill guard, tinted visor. This is actually for an R6, but apparently they use the same one, so I got some new clip-on bars as the other ones were broken. I got some rear pickups. It's like a little key ring just came with some of the stuff, which is good. I got some, these ones are actually just AliExpress lever protectors. So yeah, I think it's just fake carbon fiber. I got some levers, both clutch and brake. And then I also got a set of crankcase protectors. So there's one for the crankcase, the stator, and then there's also one for the I believe it's the water cooler, the water pump. So yeah. Alrighty, so first up, I'm going to put the clip-ons on so we can hopefully steer this thing around. I'll have to switch over all the like all the switches and everything from the old bars to the new ones, and yeah, let's get into it. In audio. Alright, so I'm going to have to transfer over these holes here so I can put the stuff on. So I'm just going to line it up and measure it and mark it, and then drill a little hole. I am actually just going to eyeball it. May not the greatest method. These aftermarket ones are actually quite a bit thicker than the OEM ones. They're also quite a bit longer, which I'm not sure how that'll go, but we'll give it a shot. Oh. So look, there's one hole which I'm not actually sure what it's for, to be honest. I think the plastic thing off this actually broke off in here. If you can hear it. There's nothing in this. See? It says there should be one, so yeah. Snip it up a little bit. I'll adjust that one when I jump on the bike, I think. Alrighty, so we are going to take it for a test drive. I'm just gonna plug in the dash and I'll hold it somewhere up the top there. Yeah, hopefully nothing comes flying off. I'm just gonna ride it slowly up and down the street, check the seat on. Yeah, and fingers crossed nothing goes wrong. Alrighty, so you guys just saw my little test ride. Everything was fine. It smells a bit funky, so I'm not sure what that could be. Maybe it's just burning off some excess stuff because it hasn't been sitting around for 2 or 3 months. Yeah, no, apart from that, it went well. Nothing fell off. So now I'm just going to finish putting on the bars, sorry, the levers, and I think that'll do me for today. I might just reattach some of the odds and ends here. Yeah, I think that's all good, and that'll do me for today. So yeah.